Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sometimes it's really frustrating while we use our phones and we don't get proper network. We are not able to complete our important task or we can't talk to our friends. It's really annoying. So what do we do to solve the issue? We have a solution. Best way is to port to another network. Now what's porting? It's simple. Porting means migrating from one network to another. Is it difficult? Not at all. It's really simple. Just follow these simple steps. All you need to do is go to the messages and type the following message. P-O-R-T space mobile number. Now send it to 1900. Once your message is sent, you will receive a UPC number. Produce this number to the new network service provider stores with your identity proof, and a passport-size photograph. And your job is done. Service charges are applicable. Usually it takes around 2 to 4 days for the change in network. Thanks for watching.